Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Evie. Be sure to go hit that subscribe button. And today, me, Poppy, and George, say hello, guys.
Hi.
We are going to be playing Tower of Hell. So yay! Are you excited, guys?
Yeah. And maybe, well, first we're just gonna do some rounds, and then maybe later we'll do some races.
In 5 minutes.
Sure.
In like
Okay,
10
let's
minutes.
see what we can
we'll,
do.
like, start the race on the third round. We'll start race.
Okay, let's do
Okay,
this.
that's fair.
Yeah, it's pretty fair. All right.
Let's do
whoa.
this. Okay, so I'm gonna go this side. Yay!
Oh, I feel like I'm gonna die. Wait.
I've never played this game. Apparently, it's very good. But my friend was on my account the other day, so like, yeah.
Poppy, you
I'm
can
kidding,
do
guys.
This.
Of course, I played this game. This
I
game
done
can
this.
do this.
This is totally
Guys, I'm
macaroni.
scared.
Don't
Oh
worry.
my god, I hate this one. I hate this one.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm doing it. Yes, I finished it.
Of course, I played this game. You're like 2000. I was kidding about.
Did you just
Why? Why me and not you guys? Oh,
Because
probably
we're
because of
masters.
how much money I have on this game.
You're like, they can't let you have more money because you've won it.
Yeah.
Times.
So.
And they won't let you have.
Okay, we're gonna do a round of this, guys, and then we're gonna do a part 2, as like we only, as it only gives us 15 minutes to record. So we'll do a part 2 to this. Go check out the part 2 on our channel.
Oh no!
And make
no.
sure you do not miss it.
I was on the grey and I
That's gonna
fell.
be
I was on
Okay.
the second grey
No.
and I fell.
Okay, so I'm doing this.
I was on
Wait,
the
where
second.
did you
I was
go?
on the third colour and I fell.
Just stay there, and I'm coming, Poppy.
Oh, okay. I haven't fell. All right.
Wait, guys, can you wait for me?
Hang on. Let me
Okay.
finish this. No, I fell.
Hi, Poppy.
No, I'm so sad.
Okay, I'm on grey.
Wait, when you get to brown, can you wait for us?
I'm on grey. How dare it not let me jump? Stupid.
All right,
I'll
guys.
wait for you here because I'm on the white already.
Hey guys, meet me at the bottom. I've got something to show you.
Nope.
Okay, I'm at the bottom. Hi.
You ready?
Yeah,
Ready?
I'm ready.
We up. This is what I wanted to show you.
Okay, let me try. Is it /E?
Yeah, slashy dance. Whoop whoop. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, George, now your turn.
Oh, you do different dances. Oh, I like this dance.
Good translation.
I'm gonna do another one.
Me and Poppy are doing the same dance.
Mine's cooler.
Come on, let's go.
It's fun.
Bye, guys.
All right, let's go.
Guys, I have something to
Bravo.
say. Guys, I have something to say.
What?
Wait, same.
Yeet. What
Okay,
do you
bye.
want to say? I want to hear. Really? Really?
No, wait, I have something else.
Wait.
Listen,
All right, that's
Triple
something.
yay!
I need you.
I'm totally disco. No, I hate this. But I don't hate them.
No,
Like,
no.
I don't want to be
Save
one.
the turtles.
Save turtles. Whoever can do the will get a shout out from Evie.
Yes. If you're a Visco girl and you want to save those poor little turtles, also gets a shout out.
I
So.
was surprised.
And if you're just a normal girl as well,
And you want to save the turtles, then
Oh, God.
you are
Oh,
awesome
oh,
in every
oh.
way.
very kind and very generous. person.
Poppy, how did you just walk
Yes,
through
because
the globe?
we love the
You
turtles.
walked through the globe.
Yeah, because I'm a hacker.
Wait, you literally...
No,
Wait,
of course she's
did
not
you
a hacker.
actually walk through the
Of course she's not a hacker, George.
No, it just
She
on
can't
your
hack on computers.
Guys?
You can only hack on computers.
Yeah, but we aren't.
Yes, that means one of you two are.
I'm not a hacker. Okay.
Yeah, that's what they all say, Evie.
Says the one who never eats pancakes.
What? This is the one who never eats pancakes. Guys,
No,
look how
just
high up.
Oh.
Guys, look how high up I am.
Oh my god, you two are so high. I'm like nearly there.
Yes! I made it to the second floor.
How dare it!
Alright,
How-
alright.
This game is
draw.
treachery. Oh god. I'm not
Guys,
gonna
we
make
have
this.
not got much time. Hopefully we can make it to the top because
Well,
I'm
I'm-
We're
definitely...
only gonna be able to make it to at least the brown, so like I would
Yeah,
really hope.
Evie,
I wish luck for you.
hello, I'm
Just move away
nearly
to the bottom.
at the top of the brown. Yep, I'm at the brown. Oh no, it's
Hey
this
guys, I'm nearly at the brown.
one. No.
Oh, people like you
No!
are so lucky.
I was on the brown.
I'm on the brown. Oh my god.
The
I'm on
brown
the-
is so hard. Is this one?
Oh no, I hit this one.
Alright, guys.
I'm
So
gonna stay at
on
the
the
bottom.
next round, we are going to do the races, and I think that everyone's trying to make me win.
No, how dare it.
Everyone wants me to win, so I just give up.
Someone just said in the chat it's a whitey vid. Oh well. Okay.
It's a YT vid.
Yay, we got the race.
Okay, let's start the race, guys, in 3.
Wait, don't start. Yeah.
Okay.
We have to get to the
We
red
need to
colour.
get to the
Red.
Yeah, the
Where
red
is it?
panel. We have to get to the red part of the staircase. Oh, this is easy.
I don't know this one. Oh my god. Yes. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
2, 1, go. Oh my god, why did
Oh,
I just lagged then? Oh no. Oh no.
oh,
Oh no. Poppy,
Oh,
this
no.
is so easy for you. We're on computer.
that's.
This is like the hardest thing you could ever do.
I'm at.
Oh god.
I'd actually mind if you guys are in front of me, because you might fall and then I'll be in front.
Rude.
No!
You're evil.
I just fell.
Oh, that's sad.
I was on the purple.
Good for you.
Evie, look how long the purple is.
Oh my god. Holy crackers. Not this. No.
Not the whack-a-mole way.
No. I hate this
I
one.
like it because I stay in the corners, so yeah. I stay in the
No!
I
How is someone at the top?
already.
They are.
As
like,
in,
what the
it's
heck?
literally only been a minute.
Oh my god.
Oh my god,
Oh,
yes,
yeah.
I'm on brown. I'm
You're
like,
on brown. You're on brown because you're so good at the game because you're on iPad.
And we're
I know, right, guys? Thanks so much.
Really?
I totally wish you the best of luck.
This is where I died.
Okay, so we're 8 minutes into the filming. Okay.
Yep. Yoink. Yay. Yay,
Okay.
boys.
So guys, what we're going to be doing.
I'm going out to mow the lawn.
Okay. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is we're going to do. Okay. Make sure to subscribe, by the way, guys. If I didn't mention already.
I've made it to the brown.
It'd be so annoying
No,
down
are you
to-
kidding me?
You fell.
Well, I'm on the brown.
I'm seriously
so
crying
Yay
right now.
for me.
Oh, there.
And I'm just up here on the brown. Oh, yay, I'm on the orange.
Oh, this is
Ow!
so sad.
Guys,
You
I'm
kidding
crying
me?
right now.
There.
Yes! Made it to the orange. Last
I
colour.
made it.
Yeah, but
I
you're
made it
the-
again.
Oh, I see you down there.
I'm awesome.
Oh, wow.
Really?
Okay, so...
Yes!
We are doing it.
I'm doing it.
Guys,
don't
I'm
you?
going to
No,
make-
I was on the.
Wait,
I
what?
was on the orange.
Guys, I'm gonna lose, so because I forfeit this round.
Okay,
so
we'll
guys,
do the next one.
Poppy's
then.
just quit for this round.
So right now I'm just going to just do my own thing,
Okay.
and I'm not gonna be talking because
Yes, I made it to the top now.
But
I
yeah.
totally.
but
Yes, I win.
because I forfeit. Oh, okay, George
I
won.
win.
Well, that's just sad for me because I'm on the brown.
Well,
So-
I'm just going
Well,
about.
Evie still has 4 minutes to complete the round. George may have won the race, but let's see if they will both win the whole.
I'm
Okay.
about to press the speed.
No, please
Evie
don't.
has a chance. It's on
no,
orange.
no.
Guys, I'm
She's
like
gonna
the
press it.
person who
This
talks.
dude's gonna press.
So,
He's trying to
Evie's gonna do
stop
it.
me
She's
from
so close
pressing
to getting
the
to the white.
button.
And she is there. She has done this.
Boing.
She is
Yay!
Yay, you got money finally.
Woo!
Hi, Evie. I see you.
Guys, do you think I can do it in 3 minutes 30 seconds?
No.
If I speed it, no.
No, please don't.
Yeah, I won't. Oh my god, there's 5 people up here.
Oh no.
Oh no.
They're hitting it.
Okay, I might as well hit it. No, it's not letting me hit it. Good. It's on 64.
Oh wait, guys. Okay, so now that it's the next round, we are going to do another race. So basically,
But
George
yeah.
won that round, so
so I
he
get
got
money.
one.
Yeah,
Okay,
obviously.
guys, let's wait.
3.
All right, 3, 2, 1,
Go.
go.
Oh my god, what the
What?
heck is that? Oh my god!
I already fell.
Oh my god, that's hard.
Yeah, that's so
Oh
bad.
my jeepers.
Ready?
I mean, it does. Oh, it slowed down. Yes, it stopped. Oh my god.
Oh my god, thank goodness for that.
Alright, I'm not sure about this round. If I couldn't do the last round, then that means I might not be able to make it on
Oh my
this
god,
round.
I hate this.
Guys, please wish me luck.
Yes, made it.
Oh my
The
god.
blue.
No!
I'm so
Chicken
thick.
McNuggets.
I'm so thick.
Yeah, you are.
I'm
Okay, I'm
so
gonna try do it in first person, guys.
thick.
Guys, made
Oh,
it to
no.
the.
I look so small and...
No.
Oh, that was hard.
Ugh.
Okay, so
No,
let's try
no,
this
no,
again.
no! Oh, I landed on the green, but then I. If
Okay
only
guys, so we're
someone
gonna
would
do a part 2 to this. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and enjoy.